We always hear about how much electricity is necessary for electric vehicles. But what we forget is that combustion engine cars already need a lot of energy and electricity just to get fuel. How much that is, we will see now in this example.
These are 5 liters of fuel. In order to get oil out of the ground, you need to put in energy. For 12 to 17 barrels of oil out of the ground, you need at least 1 barrel of oil to get them out. This is approximately 350 milliliters out of those 500 milliliters. To get the oil to the refinery, you have to transport that via ships or through pumps. The energy is approximately 10%, so in this case we have to pour another 500 milliliters away. 1 barrel, which is approximately 42 gallons, only brings us 31 gallons of fuel. That means we have to pour at least another quarter of the fuel away. That's over 1 liter. Every 5 liters of fuel that we refine in the refinery, we have to put in 1 liter for electricity in, which is another 20% of energy that we pour away. To bring the refined fuel now to the gas stations, we have again to put in energy, and that's another 10% of the energy necessary. Considering that diesel or gasoline engines only have an efficiency rate of 30 to 40%, we are basically pouring away another 60% of energy. That's over 1 liter of the remaining 2.5 liters that we have. It leaves us with 1 liter fuel. Considering that the car has 2 tons with us and us is just 100 kilograms with luggage, that means 95% of that fuel is now used to transport the car, while only 5% are used to transport us. Which results in only 50 milliliters out of 5 liters or 5,000 milliliters are used for transporting us. Or just 1% of the fuel we create is used for transporting people.
Now we've seen of how much energy we are wasting today just for liquid fuels that we have. This is the amount of fuel that in the end transports us as people. And this here is the amount of liquid fuels that we're wasting just to provide us liquid fuels.